We'll fucking wing it. What's up, guys? It's your boy Skittle Faz, and before we get into this video of like the ending of what happened with Caesar's Jeep, before we get into that video, I want to give you guys an update. Today is Thursday. I just got out of work with my buddy Manny right here, and we're about to head out to Roanoke Park, where I live currently. This Sunday, I'm gonna be moving out. I actually am flying down to Southern California, Ontario Airport, to go meet up with Diaz and get my car, and then give it a drive for a little while and go get my car smogged. I gotta get it smogged because Massachusetts knows I'm gonna be out of the state longer than a year or a year and a half, so they want me to get smogged. Basically, what state I am, they want me to get an inspection sticker. So, with that being said, I gotta do that before I leave Southern California, and I'm gonna be heading up with somebody that was featured in my past videos, but I don't want to tell you guys exactly right now, so just stay tuned. You guys already know. If you guys are not subscribed, subscribe. New website, go check out my website. I have a link in the top of my description, shopskittlefabs.com. I have all my merchandise up on that website. Now, there are gonna be new products that are gonna be dropping throughout the weeks and stuff like that, but I'm still waiting for them, so I'm not gonna go over that right now. But enjoy this video, smash the like button, subscribe like I said, and leave a comment. Until next time, guys, peace. Next time I'm down here, we're gonna go take a ride with Alex and his
big boy tires on too.
Yeah, so we actually stick. Are we gonna stick like his Jeep stick?
We'll see, hopefully.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
What are you boosting at, 26?
Right now I'm on the wastegate, like 20, around there, 20, 21.
So he's
I'll turn it up though for that day with big tires.
Whatever. It's up to you.
I'll turn it up to like 30 or something.
Alright, so stay tuned, you guys. Subscribe, hit the notification button, because I don't know when I'm going to upload this video, but if y'all stay tuned in, y'all know when I'm going to upload Alex's POV drive along. It's just going to be nuts. Stay tuned, y'all.
That raw footage.
Bro, I thought you were in the back seat, so I jumped in, and then I was like, Cholo in the back seat. Yeah.
Bro, I was trying to hop in. I didn't know there was 4 passengers.
Yeah, I was fucked.
Scratched it?
No, I just like to make sure it's always clean. You guys, I really don't even know what to say to that, to be honest. Like, I was like, wow, donut, donut, donut. Oh, I was saying at the last second, I was like, we're not gonna hit it. We're not gonna hit it. And when you pulled up, I was like, OM fucking G. Not to tell anybody. Hopefully there's no damage.
Yeah. There's damage, but it's all good. Shit happens.
The bumper is a steel, so I don't know, but
they're probably looking like, what the hell? Mine don't grip like that.
I know, I was just gonna have... No bueno, no bueno.
what is that?
Cement brick. Even though this happened, this guy's a legend. He's gonna be able to fix it. He fixes everything. Woo!
Let's cut that part out.
Oh, for sure. I'll only send it to you guys.
Yeah.
We don't have to tell anybody. Hopefully there's no damage.
There's damage. It's all good. Shit happens.
The bumper is a steel, so I don't know, but
They're probably looking like, what the hell?
Don't say anything. Don't say anything. Don't see if anybody notices.
Done it before.
Let's
it
all
happened.
pray right now. There's nothing. Okay?
Probably tie rod.
Yeah, just don't say anything. Ooh, yo, that was a killer ride, you guys. Crazy. But, ooh.
Oh, your ram weight. Cracked your ram. Oh, your ram weight. You cracked your rim.
Huh?
Your rim cracked.
Yeah? You're lying.
That's why your air pressure is going out.
What the fuck?
Shit.
What brand is it?
Shit.
I would take it back.
That's why you felt it. It felt like that. Yeah. Because the bubble.
Do you think that was a pop?
No, it's something else.
That's crazy. Don't buy from Jags no more.
That's a good GoPro.
$10 right now.
It's good. That shit.
That ain't
That
shit.
ain't nothing.
Why, what happened?
Hey, so I give you $10,
No.
and you give me the same ride for $10.
Oh, you gonna play with it?
Next time.
Next time.
That pop was it?